If you need service on any of your window coverings, I want to talk to you a little bit about the process. Our website is set up for you to jump on the website. You can do this from your phone. If you do it from your phone, just click on menu. If you get on the website, just go to the top toolbar over to the right, and it says need service. There is a self-service option. It has some videos. You can just click on a picture of your window covering and can watch some short videos if you want to try to troubleshoot it yourself. If not, then, and you want us to help you, then we would just need you to fill out the request, the information request. So it'll ask you for your name, your type of product. It'll ask you to upload a picture. So just help us out by filling that information out. That's the quickest way that we can come out or call you and take care of you, okay? Just to remind you how your warranty works, everything we sell has a lifetime warranty as long as you own it. The greatest warranty in the industry, and that's probably why you bought from us. That's why most people purchase from Zingus. So if the repair request is inside of a year, we will come out at no charge and get that taken care of for you. Sometimes we'll try to send you a video and troubleshoot that over the phone if we can and prevent a trip out. If it's after a year, then the manufacturer still will take care of the product and they'll cover the warranty aspect of it and repair or replace it, but they don't cover the labor charge. So you would be responsible for the labor of us coming out there. Now, coming out and fixing blinds is not something that we want to do. If we can help save you some money and send you a video and talk you through it, then that's what we're going to do. We would rather do that than have to have you pay us to come out. So also, we do have a chat feature on our website. So if you have any quick questions, there's a chat window. You can just ask some quick questions and maybe that's a little quicker for you.